Algebra 1, Unit 3, Lesson 6. So part A, tell whether each function is written in standard form. If not, rewrite in standard form. Oh, standard form is this. A whole number times x plus a whole number times y and equal to c. C is also a whole number. So standard form, all the number, so a, b, c, all the number are whole number. Okay, the first one, no. Y equal to 3x. This is not a standard form. Because standard form, x and y, they are on both the same side. Okay, now I'm going to move, maybe I can move y to the other side. So 3x, y, positive y, move to the different side, become negative y. Yeah? And then after the y is gone, we have 0 left. Now I can rewrite 3x minus y equal to 0. Number 2. Okay, let's rearrange it. 5x is not moving. I'm going to move negative y to the other side of the equation, become positive y, yeah? So negative y become positive y. Okay, now 7 is not moving because I want a variable on one side and all the number on the other side. 11, positive 11, I move it across the equal sign, is going to be negative 11, so minus 11. All right, so what is 5x plus y? What is 7? 7 minus 11? 7 is smaller than 11, so 7 is not big enough to take away 11, so this is 4. This is negative 4. Now I'm going to flip both sides. So 5x plus y equal to 4, negative 4. Oh. So this is the final answer. Number C. Okay, number C, number 3, distributive property. So negative 2x, negative 2y. I'm going to move x to the other side. Move to positive 9, become negative 9. Or you just subtract 9 on both sides. Yeah, subtract 9. You got the same thing. The method is the same, in fact. So negative 2x minus 2y equal to 1 minus 9, negative 8. Done. If you want to change it, they're all negative, so I can multiply negative 1 on both sides. This is optional, okay? So I can multiply both sides by negative 1, yeah? And to change everything to positive. So this gives me positive 2 plus 2y equal to positive 8. So either one is correct. Okay, part B. Given a slope and a point, write the equation in standard form for each line. Whoa, slope and a point. First, we're going to write it as a point slope form. So this is x1, y1. So remember, the formula is y minus y1 equal to slope times x minus x1. Follow the formula. So y minus y1 is 7, slope is 6, so x minus 3. So now y minus 7 equal to 6x minus 18. So 6x minus y. I'm moving y to the other side to become negative y. and I'm moving negative 18 to the different side, become positive 18. And negative 7 is now moving, so I copy it. So 18 minus 7 is 11, 6x minus 1. Okay, almost done. Now the rule is we want to keep the variable to the left, right? So we flip the whole thing. So this is the final answer. Above it, this one is okay too, standard form, yeah. But just the variable is on the right side. Okay, number 2. Slope is negative 1. x1, y1. Okay, follow the formula. So y minus y1, so 5 equal to negative slope, negative 1 slope, so x minus 2. X minus y, x1, yeah? So y minus 5, distributive the negative 1, so become negative 1x plus 2. Now, I'm going to move negative x, cross the equal sign, go to the left, become positive x. So x plus y, because y is positive. Y is positive. So it's y positive, x positive 1. So we can read like x plus y equal to 2 is not moving, so it's still positive 2. Still positive 2. So negative 5, cross the equal sign, go to the other side, become positive 5. Positive 5. So the final is x plus y equal to 7. Number 3, like x1, y1. So y minus 2 equal to slope times x minus x1. Okay, let's rewrite. So minus 5, that become a plus 5, huh? Just plus 5. Okay, y minus 2 equal to 9x plus 45. I have to do the distributive property. 9 times x, and then 9 times 5. Okay. X is positive, so I don't like to move the positive, because we like to keep x as the first term. So on the right side, x is the first term is positive, so I'm going to move y. I'm going to move y to the other side. Oops. It becomes negative y, right? So minus y. Negative 2 is now moving. Negative 2 not moving. I copy it. And the positive 45 move to the other side, become negative 45. So negative 45. Negative 45 and the negative 2, this become negative 47. Now let me write out the final. I want to keep it the variable at the left, and then the number to the right side. Yeah. So now x minus y equal to negative 47. So that's it. Part C. Graph the line of each equation. Ooh, graph. Standard form. This is a standard form. Standard form, we are going to find x and y intercept. We find the 2 points. One is on the x-axis somewhere. Another one is on the y-axis, and then we connect them. Okay. First, we're going to do x-intercept. Remember, get rid of the y term because we're dealing with the x. The shortcut, there's a logic behind it, but the shortcut is you get rid of, when you try to find out the x-intercept, you get rid of the y term. For the first one, we don't even need to solve. So x equal to 6. Okay, let's do y-intercept. Y-intercept, we get rid of the x term. So negative 2y equal to 6. So y equal to negative 3. So negative 2 multiply with negative 3 equal to 6. So y equal to negative 3. So x equal to 6 is right here, this point. Right here. Y equal to negative 3. 1, 2, 3, right here. So y equal to negative 3 is right here, this point. Now let's connect these 2 points. Make it a little longer. Yeah, so this is the graph. Number 2. Number 2. Okay, let's figure out the x-intercept. This time I'm going to only use the short term, right? And the abbreviation, x-intercept. Okay, get rid of the y term. So 2 times x equal to 8. So x must be equal to 4. X equal to 4 right here. Right? Okay, y-intercept. Y-intercept. Get rid of the x term, so 3y equal to 8. So divide both sides by 3, so y equal to 8 over 3. So 8 over 3, 8 divided by 3, that is almost like a 2.7. So y equal to 2.7. So where is 2.7? Somewhere right here, yeah? Somewhere right here. A little bit less than 3, right? So now we're going to connect these 2 points. Make them a little longer. Yeah. Done. The graph is done. Okay, word problem. A swimming pool was filling with water at a constant rate of 200 gallons per hour. Whenever you see some number, something per something, that means this number is a slope. It's a rate of change. It's a slope. It's going to be this number multiplied by x. Most of time, this is the slope. So it's going to be 200 times x or something. Okay. Rate of change. It is a slope. Okay, 200. The pool had 50 gallons before the timer start. Write an equation in standard form to model the situation. Okay. I'm thinking the swimming pool is filling with water at a constant rate of change. So 200 times per hour. So every hour is 200 gallons. So x hour, that means 200 gallon times the time, right? How many hours? And the pool has 50 gallons to begin with. So plus 50 equal to what? Equal to y. Y represent the amount of water in the swimming pool. So write the equation in standard form to model the situation. Okay, is this a standard form? No. We have to move y to the other side. So 200x, positive y move to the right. That's negative 9 y. And positive 50 move to the other side, it become negative 50. So that's it. Number 2, a grocery bag containing 4 potato. 4 potato weigh 2 pounds. An identical bag that contains 12 potatoes weigh 4 pounds. So write an equation in standard form to show the relationship of the weight and the number of potatoes. Whoa. The weight. Okay, now we have to figure out the slope. We don't have a slope, right? We have points. We have 2 points. The first point is the number of potato is 4. And the weight is 2. The weight 2 pounds, right? And then the same bag, the second, identical, not the same. Another bag is 12 potato. How many pounds? 4 pounds. So we need to figure out the slope. Slope is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the slope is y1 minus y2 all over x1 minus x2. Or we can do the change, the rate of change. Y, the change of y over change of x. Okay, from 2 to 4, the y add 2. The x change from 4 to 12, you add 8, right? So the slope is the change of y, which is 2, all over change of x, which is 8. After I simplify it, it is 1 over 4. Yeah? Now I have to choose a point. I'm going to choose this point using the point slope formula. So y minus y1 equal to slope x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 2. So y minus 2 equal to slope. Slope is 1 over 4. X minus y1. Y1 is, oh no, x1. x1 is 4. x1 is 4. So this is the point slope equation, right? But the instruction is we have to write in standard form. Okay. Okay. This one is a little harder, okay? So y minus 2 equal to 1 over 4x. I'm doing the distributive. So 1 over 4x. So 1 over 4 times negative 4. This equal to negative 1. So minus 1. So minus 1. Now, 1 over 4x minus y equal to negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 equal to 1 over 4x plus minus 1, y. Remember, fraction is not allowed. So we're going to multiply 4 on both sides. So this is negative 4 equal to x minus 4y. So 4 times 1 over 4, that's 1. 4 times negative y, that's negative 4y. So now I can finally x minus 4y equal to negative 4. Standard form. Done.